Welcome to Reddit Answers, a platform where real answers come from real people. Dive into a world of knowledge and insights shared by the Reddit community. Here you can see the Reddit Answers interface, designed to help you find answers to your questions quickly and efficiently. It's user-friendly and intuitive, making your search for information a breeze. Accessing Reddit. Answers is simple. Just click on the Answers tab in the sidebar, and you're ready to explore a wealth of information provided by the community. Reddit Answers allows you to ask questions on a variety of topics. Whether you're curious about technology, lifestyle, or anything in between, this platform has got you covered. Looking for the best and most cost-effective way to create hand-drawn whiteboard videos? Reddit Answers can guide you with real insights from experienced users. Once you ask your question, Reddit users provide detailed answers based on their experiences and expertise. It's a collaborative effort to help you find the best solutions. Explore comprehensive answers that cover various aspects of your question. From software tools to DIY methods, Reddit Answers offers a wide range of solutions. Learn from user experiences shared in the answers. These insights can help you make informed decisions and find the most effective solutions for your needs. Discover user recommendations and reviews on different tools and services. Reddit Answers is a treasure trove of valuable information, helping you navigate your options with ease. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this video helpful.